Hello students, welcome to my channel Words and Numbers, where math become easy, clear and interesting. If you are a student and you find rational numbers confusing, then this video is perfect for you. So let's start. Today we will know what is a rational number. So a number that can be written in the form of P over Q is called the rational number, where P and Q are integers and Q is not is equal to 0. For example, 3 over 4 is a rational number, minus 5 over 7 is also a rational number, 2 without a denominator is also a rational number. Because if any integer doesn't have a denominator, we assume 1 as a denominator and it also a rational number. So let's continue and we now study what are the types of the rational numbers. Rational number of different types: positive, negative and 0. First is positive rational number. What is positive rational number? We will see example 2 over 3. It is a positive rational number. Negative number, when there is a negative sign on any integer, it is a negative rational number. 0 is also a rational number. 0 over 1. This is also a rational number because here the denominator is not 0. Denominator cannot be 0. For example, like 5 over 0, it is not a rational number because here the denominator is 0, so it is not a rational number. So students, let's now take an example. Suppose we have to find a rational number between 2 and 3. So step 1 is we have to write numbers as a fraction. 2 becomes 2 over 1 and 3 becomes 3 over 1. Step 2 is we have to add them. 2 over 1 plus 3 over 1 is equal to 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 over 1. Step 3. We have to divide it by 2. 5 over 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 is a rational number between 2 and 3. So 5 over 2 is our answer. This is a rational number between 2 and 3. So students, let's take another example. We have to find rational number between 2 over 5 and 3 over 4. First of all, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So first we will find the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of the denominator is 20. Now next step is we have to make the denominators same. So for first rational number is 2 over 5. We should multiply 5 with the 4 so that it becomes 220. So with the same number we have to multiply the numerator, and 2 times 4 is 8. Our second rational number is 3 over 4. will multiply 4 with 5 to becomes 20, and we also multiply the numerator with the same number. So 3 times 5 is 15. So our answer is the rational numbers starting from 9, 10, 9, 20, 10, 20, and so on till 14/20. So students, let's take a quick revise. The rational numbers are always in the form of P/Q. Denominators cannot be 0. And the third most important point, infinite rational numbers exist between the two numbers. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, keep learning, keep growing with words and numbers.